In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook ad account to Meta Business Suite. First, make sure you're logged into Facebook with the profile that manages your business. Then open Meta Business Suite. You can do this by going to the Business Suite link from your Facebook menu or by entering the Business Suite URL directly in your browser. Once it loads, you'll be on your main business dashboard, where you can see things like your pages, messages, and performance. From here, look for the settings option. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar or sometimes under a menu icon if your screen is smaller. Click on settings and Meta will take you into the area where you manage all the assets connected to your business. Inside settings, you'll see different sections for things like people, pages, and accounts. In the accounts section, find and click on ads. This is where all of your ad accounts are listed and managed. If you already have some ad accounts, you'll see them displayed on this page. On the top right of this ad accounts page, you'll see a button labeled Add. Go ahead and click on Add. A small menu will appear with different options. For this tutorial, we're going to create a brand new ad account, so choose Create a New Ad Account. Next, you'll be asked to type in the ad account name. Pick a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize the account later, for example, by using your business name and maybe the region or purpose of the account. Enter that name carefully, as it will help you stay organized when you're managing multiple accounts. After you've entered the name, click on Next to move forward. On the following screen, Meta will ask you how this ad account will be used. You'll need to decide whether this account is for your own business or for another business or client. Select the option that best matches your situation, then click Next again. You'll now see Meta's terms and conditions related to advertising. Read through them if you haven't before, and then click on the checkbox to confirm that you agree to the terms. Finally, click on Create Ad Account. Meta will process your request, and your new Facebook ad account will be added to your Meta Business Suite. From here, you can assign people, set permissions, add payment methods, and start running campaigns.